Welcome everyone, my name is Ray Pastor, and today I'm going to open up the Oculus Quest that was just released. We got a bunch of these for my new lab, so I'm really excited to try these out with students, but I just wanted to kind of see what was in the box. So the first thing I'm going to do, I haven't tested this thing, so I have no idea how it's going to work. This is just going to open the box to show you what you get. Taking off the wrap. So this is the 128 gigabyte model. Let's see what's inside this thing. I'm really excited to try this thing out. So let's see. Move this stuff out of the way here. All right, so the cover slides off, very similar to the regular Oculus. So I do have the regular one. All right, let's see. See what this comes with. Ooh, cool. So you can see how it's packaged here. It's got your headset, your two controllers, and then some of the information. Let's take a look at what this bad boy looks like. Very cool. Nice light headset. Feels lighter than my HTC Vive or my regular Oculus Rift, and I did order the new Oculus Rift S, I believe, as well, but this is the Quest, so it looks pretty cool, feels good, feels like it'll be very comfortable wearing. So we've got the headset, we've got our two controllers. Let's see how these feel. Very nice, feel good, light, very easy. Okay, perfect. And then let's see what came in here. The final box. I assume this is just like the plug. So we've got a plug. We've got a connector. I guess if you have, so if someone has glasses, there's glasses on here. So if someone has glasses, but this would go on the connector to make it a little more comfortable. And then we've got a cord for charging. We've got some batteries for the controller. So it looks like it does come with some batteries. And these are standard AA batteries. Very good packaging. Very nice, tight, neat packaging. It's a very interesting little box. A reference guide and your manual, your safety manual that no one ever reads. But you've got a little reference guide which basically doesn't tell you too much. Looks like you really need to download the app on the App Store and kind of go from there and setting this up. But cool, that's the unboxing. So it's very simple, comes with a headset, controllers, and it's very nice small package box. I really like that. Good cool graphics as well. Very excited to test it out. My next video on Oculus will be me actually using it. Thank you.